Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got the skaters on this side. Oh. What's going on, boys? Today I got a little some. I was gonna wait till I got, let me show you, because I ordered a new little case for this because mine's all beat up and stuff, and this is all scratched. Oh, there's this cool one on, like, I don't know, I think it's like, fuck, I forgot the I don't know, like one of those websites, and like it has like the red GTI, but it's all sold out. But I was gonna wait till I got a new one of these, but that's not here yet, and this is here now. So I'm kind of, I don't even want to wait. Got a little package from ECS Tuning. Boys, I posted this on my Instagram. I feel like people think it's a new ECU or like a tune or something, so my bad for that, boys. But let me show you guys what I got. I put it in the box just to show you guys real quick. Yes, sir. I literally spent $50 on this. Just so, if you don't know what this is, all it does, when you hold the window button, the windows roll down, and when you lock it, the windows go up. Something I've always wanted, I've never had. I know people are gonna be like, bro, you could do this way cheaper. It doesn't matter, boys. Hey, Roberto, I'm coming to you because I know you can use this, because I'm pretty sure that yours doesn't have it, so I got you. You don't have to spend $50 like I did. But it's an easy install, boys. If you don't know, just open your key. You know what I'm saying? Plug this in. It's gonna make a noise, and then just wait, like, it should take like a minute or 30 seconds. Let's see. Hold up. There should go. I don't know how long it takes, or if it's, hopefully it works. We'll see. We'll just wait. Let's just wait and see if it says any noises or anything, or if it starts beeping again. Boys, why does it feel like 30 seconds is taking the longest time, bro? Like, what the fuck? If you guys thought it was an ECU, my bad, boys, honestly. Because honestly, if you look at the box, it low-key kind of does look like it's about to be an ECU. I do want to tune soon. I don't know how soon, but it's definitely coming, boys. It's definitely coming. And I got a couple more parts coming in too. Oh, just don't worry about it, boys. Oh, it beeped again. Okay, let's take it out. Oh, let's try it out. Let's try it out. Oh my god, I'm kind of nervous. Let's see if it works. Oh, dude, that's so sick. And now if you lock it, yo, that shit is so sick, bruh. Wait, one more time. Oh, yeah. Bruh, I'm literally tripping. It's literally the smallest thing, but that shit is so cool, bruh. Here, I'm gonna go show the boys real quick. Wait, I'm about to show you guys, bro. I'm about to show you guys the new mod I installed. They're all looking at the car like they're about to see it. Are you guys ready to see what it is? What do you guys think it is first?
KO4 Turbo.
Oh my god. Let's get this full. Well, we'll look at the car. What do you guys, don't you guys see it?
New roof rack?
Oh shit, I left my windows open. What the fuck?
Let's get him.
It's hot outside, bro. Little fuck. I want to put my windows down or something. I don't know. It's annoying. I have to get.
Nice. How'd you guys do that?
If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. No, I'm just kidding. It's this thing right.
With 5%
Oh my god. Let's get it. It's just this thing.
So you only.
Now you guys can try it if it works on your car.
You only need it once?
Yeah, look. And then when you lock it, you have to hold it, and then you see.
That's cool. That's hard.
That's it, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah.
And then when you unlock it,
if you had 4 windows, that'd be even cooler.
If all of them will come down. They say even the sunroof, but I don't know how to get the sun. Or maybe the trunk. Or no, like say, oh, I forgot to close my window.
That's cool.
Boy, it's so sick, bro. I fucking love that shit. Someone come get me some, bro. What?
How do you wait? No, I'm probably doing it wrong. How the fuck? Do you lock it?
No, unlock it and then just hold it.
Just twice?
Yeah, and then hold it. Yeah,
on the second one?
On the second one, hold it. Yeah. There you go. There you go.
Oh, you.
But you hold it, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, as long as you hold it, is what's gonna go. Show them a POV. I'm not even touching it, boys. Yes, sir.
That's cool. It does it when you lock it.
Yes,
That's
sir.
hard.
Yes, sir. This is definitely worth the $50. If you can get it cheaper or free, Roberto, then it's definitely worth it. Oh, wait, hey, open the window. I just gotta get something real quick.
I got you.
Oh, go ahead and close it, bro. Go ahead and close it. Let's go. Let's go. How to get my phone real quick.
Imagine this was
Huh? After?
This nigga was in the lock when you were there.
Fucking squish my hand in there. Oh my god. New guy, new to the mullet. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Did you guys see the car that came? What the ran over Visa with? Bro, it's the ball, bro.
Bruh.
La mama whiskey cut.
Drop him off right here.
No quema cut.
Run into this nigga.
We're here at the mall with the mama whiskeys.
Do my eyebrows still look weird?
I don't know, let the people say. You gotta wait a couple days. Once the video comes out, they'll let you know.
Probably, huh?
Bro, they better roast you
I
for
probably
that.
look like a lesbian, bro. That's perfect parking, bro.
How's your eyebrows? You're cool? Should I get my eyebrows done?
You won't.
Right now?
I don't know about right now, but
Right
just
now.
in general.
We'll get it together.
Do it right now.
Sis.
I don't even need to.
Huh?
I don't need to.
Bro, you guys broke my back. Actually, like every step I take right here hurts.
If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I need a fucking that shit hurts.
Wait, you need a massage?
Let's call the elevator. This is the mall, boys. Oh shit! Imagine someone was right here, bro. That would be hell awkward. Cause some people don't live here, bro. They don't know what we see, you know. So I feel like it's cool to show them like what we see, you know.
There's 4 corners.
4 corners, bro. Get the fuck away.
Shit.
Coronavirus. You don't have a mask.
That's in my pocket, bro. What are you
Oh.
doing?
I was about to call the police.
Illuminati confirmed.
Just because I forgot my mask once in the fucking car.
Not once, hella times. Hella times.
Never mind. Never mind.
They look swag or what? You said that they look like jail suits. Throw back.
I don't really wear those. They look
So are you open it, man? Slip-ons?
Yeah.
I like it. You go. When you're outside already. I haven't had slip-ons in a minute. Can you lace them for me?
I'm thinking what is it?
Staring contest or what?
What are the other?
Oh! It opened. Go, close it. Oh. Drive chill, bro. Fucking oh! Oh shit! What the fuck?
You're about to fucking know my.
Oh shit!
Fucking crash, you fucking retard.
Oh look, there's remote. Hit him. Hey, Drew! Oh shit! Sign the guy. I have my food. I was ready to hop on Warzone, enjoy my night, bruh. And this fucker could not wait an hour for his mom to cook, and he wants to go get some fucking pho all the way downtown. And I have my food right here, bro. Tengo mis perros calientes.
It's actually getting.
When it's closed. This one's closed too. Back to back, bro. Closed and closed. Literally 3 places later, you guys finally found an open one. I'm not getting nothing, man. He forgot his mask.
Give him a mask.
Oh my god. Oh wait, I didn't even show the boys the new drip. Oh wait, they saw me about carpet earlier. What do you guys think, bro? The cameraman right here. Shout out Roach 4K on Instagram. You already know, tap in. Misa Soup on Instagram, tap in. 2 U's though.
To what?
2 U's. The first time I ever tagged you, I did not put a 2 U's. I just put 1 U. And then I saw it on Instagram. I was like, oh shit.
Nigga hates you.
For real.
For real.
I hate you. I hate you.
For real. Is this really good, man?
It's good. The fried rice is good actually, and the strawberry thing.
I hope so.
What the fuck is that? Let's get him. Let's get him. Bro, be careful, guys. Be careful.
Who was that?
Bro, what are you watching from out here for?
This is the menu, no?
Well, there's a menu inside. Oh. We're just gonna end the night here. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment.
What camera am I looking at?
Both. Look at both. Let them know, y'all said let them know. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Y'all thought it was over, huh? Y'all thought wrong.
Let's get him.
Yeah, but no, you know. Nigga spit.
After hours.
That was you. We gotta go sanitize it now. I got no battery. Fuck.
It's almost done. It's almost done. Nah, I didn't even bring extra, to be honest. I did not bring extra batteries.
I'm on Warzone. Right here.
Nah,
Yeah,
that's
nah,
extra
nah,
editing,
nah,
bro.
nah,
That's
nah.
extra editing. What even is it? It's just Roach 4K.
Now with the little 7 something.
I don't know your number.
40836.
These nuts.